Good day, everyone. So, in this part, I will be discussing the campus paper staff, including their roles, responsibilities, and importance in producing the school publication. So, this will help us understand how a campus paper works as a team to deliver accurate and responsible journalism. So, the first one is, what is a campus paper staff? So when we talk about the campus paper staff, we are referring to the group of students who make the school publication possible. So they are not just writers, but a team that handles everything from gathering information to presenting it in an organized and appealing way. So because each member has a specific task, the publication becomes more reliable, creative, and well managed. Next one is importance of the campus paper staff. So the campus paper staff plays an important role in the school because it allows students to express their ideas and opinions freely, and at the same time it teaches them to be responsible in sharing information. So through campus journalism, students also develop important life skills such as critical thinking, leadership, and teamwork, which are useful even beyond school. Next part is how campus paper staff are chosen. So, campus paper staff members are usually chosen based on their skills and abilities, especially in writing, editing, or designing. So, once selected, each member is given a role that suits their strengths. So, this proper assignment of roles helps avoid confusion and allows the publication process to flow smoothly. Next one is duties and responsibilities of the publication staff. So the work of the publication staff goes beyond simply writing articles. They are also responsible for checking the accuracy of information, correcting errors, and making sure the paper looks presentable. Most importantly, they are expected to follow journalistic ethics to ensure that the content is fair, truthful, and respectful. So the first staff is the chief editor. So the chief editor serves as the leader of the campus paper staff. They guide the entire team and make sure that all content meets the standards of the publication. So since they approve articles before printing, they carry the responsibility of ensuring accuracy, balance, and overall quality. The next one is associate editor. So the associate editor supports the chief editor by helping manage the editorial workload. They help organize tasks and make sure section editors understand their responsibilities. So this role is important because it helps maintain coordination among different sections of the paper. The next one is managing editor. So the managing editor focuses on preparing the paper for its final form. They carefully check the layout and look for errors that might have been missed earlier. So their role ensures that what reaches the readers is polished, organized, and ready for publication. The next one is circulation manager. So the circulation manager ensures that the campus paper actually reaches its intended readers. So without this role, even a well-written paper would be useless if it is not properly distributed. So this position helps maximize the paper's impact within the school community. Next one is news editor. The news editor is responsible for handling stories that inform students about what is happening in the school. They decide which events are newsworthy and ensure that reports are factual and timely. So this role helps keep the student body informed and aware. Next one is feature editor. So unlike new articles, feature articles focus more on human interest and deeper stories. So the feature editor ensures that these articles are engaging and meaningful. They help writers develop stories that connect with readers on a personal level. The next one is Filipino editor. The Filipino editor ensures that articles written in Filipino are clear, accurate, and culturally appropriate. So this role is important in promoting the proper use of the national language. It also helps make the campus paper more inclusive for Filipino readers. Next one is sports editor. The sports editor focuses on highlighting athletic activities and achievements in the school. They ensure that sports stories are accurate and fair. This role helps recognize student athletes and promotes school spirit. Next one is exchange editor. So the exchange editor handles relationships with other school publications. By managing exchange copies, they allow the staff to learn from other campus papers. So this also helps improve the quality of their own publication through comparison and reference. Next one is staff artists. The staff artists add creativity and visual appeal to the campus paper. So their work helps readers better understand and appreciate the articles. So without visuals, the paper may look dull and less engaging. So next one is layout artists. Layout artists organize how content appears on each page. They make sure that texts and images are arranged in a way that is easy to read and visually balanced. Their role directly affects how attractive and professional the paper looks. The next one is reporters. So the reporters serve as the backbone of the campus paper because they gather information firsthand. They conduct interviews, verify facts, and write articles based on real events. So their responsibility is to report truthfully and objectively. The next one is the advisor. The advisor serves as a guide rather than a decision maker. So they help students understand ethical journalism and proper practices. This guidance ensures that the campus paper remains responsible while still being student led. Next one is the publication policies. So, publication policies act as the foundation of responsible campus journalism. They guide the staff in deciding what content is appropriate to publish. So, these policies help maintain order, professionalism, and credibility. So, example of publication policies. So, these are the examples. So, these policies encourage constructive criticism rather than harmful content. They remind the staff to avoid personal attacks or misleading information. So, in this way, the campus paper remains respectful and trustworthy. So, to wrap this all up, the campus paper staff is made up of individuals with different roles working together toward one goal. Each position plays an important part in producing a credible and responsible campus publication. So, through teamwork and proper organization, the campus paper becomes an effective voice of the students. So, that's all for my report. Thank you for watching.